Hello there, good evening, good morning, good night, wherever you are. This is another episode of Wave Watch. Here with your host, Sleepy Bull. And today we're going to be going over a few things. The first one being Solana. Solana is an interesting chart to look at, just because the chart has just been extremely bullish during the prior year bull run, and now we're trying to get the bottom of this market. We're trying to find out if it's already in or not, and once we do get it, take as much profit as possible from it. And the next chart that we'll be looking into is potentially the total 3 crypto market cap. We have a few counts, both bullish and bearish. That would be, I would say, it would be good to look at both bullish and bearish counts so as to avoid bias. It is possible that we're at a potential bottom, but we'll get there when we get there. So let's begin with Solana. Now, I did share the prior chart with you guys regarding Solana. Now, Solana, like many cryptos, I believe, is in a extended retracement followed by my apologies. That is preceding a extended 5-wave move up on the 5th wave. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 intermediate wave, and then 5th wave up. Intermediate wave is subdivided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we apply the 5th wave test, we get it exactly. So this is why I strongly believe not only Solana, but most altcoins are in an extended 5th wave, or a retracement following an extended 5th wave. And so because of that, the area of support will be around here. So back to the main count. Following the 5th wave up, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Fibs match up perfectly. Now, when we had this wave here, I knew it was going to be a B wave. I just didn't know what form it would be. And potential target was roughly $30, $35. Now you see here that the max top was 38. But this became a triangle. So because of the triangle form that we have here, what I can say is that the triangle form has caused this, it's really a correction to the correction, has caused this correction to be extended in time. So it's already almost complete. The Fibonacci's line up perfectly, and as you can see, we're maxing out at the 786 here. If we take the wick to wick, not wick to wick, close to close, which is my preferred method, it looks like we could reach that 38 mark. Of course, the ABC here, you can see the C wave is a little extended. It almost hit just a dollar shy of that 618 extension there. So that's the count, guys. It's very simple, very simple. Now, getting to this count was not simple. You do have a head and shoulders that formed with a potential target roughly around here. You have the Fibonacci rejection at the 618 right there. Right there, exactly where wave E is. If you take the close to close, and then also you have that target here. You have that wave 2 target. The wave 2 target is roughly right here. So we have a lot of confluence there at $3. So right now we're just expecting the wave A, wave B to finish, and to begin the nasty part of the leg down, wave C, all the way down. It should begin any minute now. Now, doesn't help that this is bullish. This is my EMA spread indicator. It's one of my main buying criterias. It's bullish, but as you can see, we're a little overextended in the stochastic and the RSI here, so I'm really expecting a nasty drawdown, and then once that happens, that's when we buy in. Now for future price targets, you can definitely expect Solana to go to big time highs, big time. Oh yeah. So let's look at the total market cap here for alts. This is gonna really make us good money here, guys. Where's my alts? I'm looking for my total 3. There we are. My total 3. Okay, as you can see here, this is my bearish count. We have let me just open this count up here. Bear count. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. So, don't have this as part of the bear count. It's really part of the bull count, but this is the mega wave 1. The bottom down here, and we're in mega wave 3, or rather, as they say, cycle wave 3 for the total cryptocurrency market cap. So in reality, because we're in a cycle wave 3, everything is a buy. Everything is a buy. There is not one coin you should not want to buy in the cryptoverse. Not one. That's the cryptoverse, in the cryptosphere. I'll say that. Just because, look at this. Look at this wave 3 target here. We're talking about $3 trillion. We're at 300 billion. That's a 10x right there. Just alone, just the whole market alone. 10x's. 7, 10, roughly. I don't make the rules, guys. And if you want to see the big time wave 5, let's make it an even 11 trillion. We're going for the derivatives. This is big. Okay, so back to this here. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said before, we're extended right there, wave 5. Or we can also do the non-extended version. Comes out a little different, but I don't like it. It's not a good count. Just like the total market count, W, X, Y wave down. In primary, let me hide these just to make it easier. Just to make it a little easier. One. There we go. WX primary, Y primary, which is subdivided into intermediaries. Let me get rid of the EMAs. Now this count is literally just a B, C, followed by A, B, C, D, E triangle formation. Now I'm loving this triangle formation. It's so simple to draw. It's easy to the eye. It's perfect. It's perfect. You can't mistake it. It's a bear market triangle. It's a bear market triangle. And textbook Elliott wave theory states that this breaks down to the downside. Projection for this triangle. Right here to right here, the 618. The 618, which is exactly the max wave extended bear market target. It does help that the stochastic RSI states that we are in a overbought region. After every overbought region, we've had a sell-off. Not so much in these, but it's coming. The sell-off is coming, guys. Even worse, like I stated before, we're below the 200 EMA, so the sell-off is coming. So for the bull case, let's get the bull case up. For the bull case, has a lot going on, but it's not without merit. Like I said before, cycle wave 1, 2, 3 is aiming at 3 trillion. So the bullish case shows that there is what is this? It's intermediate. This is primary. Get rid of this count here. Excuse me while I take care of this. There we go. 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5. No extension of wave 5 instead of an extension of wave 3. And that comes out to just about right. Yep. 3 was extended at 2, 4, 5. There we go. WXY, same bear count. Only this time we say that it finishes here at wave 4, which is where you would expect most where you would expect most counts to terminate, most bear markets to terminate at wave 4 normally. But the problem I have with that is that usually wave 2 is retraced down by 618. So you see where this leaves us. If this is a wave 1 primary to wave 2, giving us wave 3, where see where is the retracement going to be at, and that's my main concern. So that's why I advocate for the bear count. Now we could go here, let's see, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be a big 1, big 2, big 3, start of big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Well, that's the count, guys.